Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is basically a national holiday. I am so excited because today I get to unbox my summer Fabfitfun box. Summer is one of the better months. Some people would argue it's the best month. Personally, I'm a fall girl, so I'm excited for the next box in particular, but summer is still a really great season, so everything in this box is going to be geared towards like summer out in the sun fun. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. But as most of you guys know, I'm a Fabfitfun partner, so I unbox every single box that comes out with Fabfitfun, and it's a seasonal box, meaning it comes out spring, summer, winter, fall, and it's all full-size items. Most of the time you'll get something in the box that's worth more than the box. It's really great. Another thing too that I just want to quickly mention that I don't know if I've mentioned before when talking about Fabfitfun, every box they pair up with a charity, and this box in particular, the summer box, they paired up with Make-A-Wish Foundation, which is one of my personal favorite nonprofits. Even during the pandemic, they still have been helping 15 kids every single day, at least. It's just a great organization that they paired up with. So some of the profits of this box do go to Make-A-Wish. And not only that, but you get some great stuff on top of it. It's just a win-win for everybody. So anyway, what I'm also excited for is that I picked out everything in this box, okay? I picked out every single thing. So now annual members get to customize every single thing in the box. Nothing is left to chance anymore with these people. Everything is customized by me. I picked every single thing out, so there's no way I can be disappointed. Even people who are not annual members and just are buy like one box at a time, they still get to customize the majority of their box. So it's just, guys, look, I think you can tell I'm down bad for Fabfitfun. Like, let's just get honest, okay? So anyway, let's just get into it. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. I know that was a very long intro, but I had to do it. I had to do it to him. Okay, so opening up the box, you will see this thing is packed to the brim, okay? So with every Fabfitfun, typically there's like a big ticket item, and personally this month I chose the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So it comes in this really, really pretty like teal color, and honestly, I'm gonna keep it 100. I already have one of these, but I wanted a new one because this is a much cuter color than the one I have. I have like an ugly navy one, but I love this device because it's waterproof, it's silicone, so it's more hygienic than like a bristle brush or something. And it also has 4 speeds, so it has like 2 like nice cleansing ones, and then they have like pulsating ones. And you can actually use the back to like apply, you know, retinol at night, or, you know, skin serums, stuff like that. I don't know, but it's really great. And I actually like to keep it in my shower because it's waterproof, so I just do it in my shower and it's much more clean that way. But I just thought it was such a cute color, and these retail for a lot, by the way, so this is like a really good deal. Like I said, this probably already paid for the box. Like it already did pay for the box. And it's a really good it's a good brand too, just like PMD skincare stuff, devices. It's really good. So yeah, love it, love it, love it, love it. And it comes with a stand, and the color's just great. But there were a lot of other good options that you guys could have chosen that are like Summer Fridays, CC serum. There was 2, you could have chose a neoprene beach tote. That was really cute. There was a lot of different stuff. Society 6 outdoor blanket. Love it. For my second customization, let's see, what did I pick? I don't even remember. Customization 2. Oh. Oh, I know what I picked. Okay, so for the second customization, typically this is another kind of like big ticket item, and I picked, well, I don't even remember picking this. I think I blacked out or something, but I picked the Ray Dunn Artisan Collection. It's a guacamole and salsa set, and if you guys know Ray Dunn, you know that people go crazy over this, okay? People drive to Home Goods. I talked about this on stream. I actually unboxed this already on my Twitch stream, but people literally drive 2 hours to Home Goods and go first thing in the morning, scout these out. They go into the back of the stock room illegally and get these. Like, it's insane, you guys. And I think this might actually be like a Fabfitfun exclusive. So if you're a Ray Dunn obsessed person, you need to get these, okay? Because I think that these are gonna be of some value to you. So here's the first one. It says salsa, and then it comes with a little guac one. And honestly, like, I don't know why, but I kind of like this. Like, I'm not usually a fan of like the Ray Dunn stuff, but I actually kind of like this. And like I said, you know, before in these videos, like if you don't, you could always give away something as a gift. By the way, also, it also comes with 2 of these little serving spoons. They're wooden, so they're really cute. And so yeah, I got that. I mean, I think these are gonna be worth like, guys, these are like a collectible item. Like I don't even know how else to explain it to you. If you haven't heard of the Ray Dunn phenomenon, look it up. Because it's literally nuts. It's literally nuts. But I also wanted to show you this. This is actually really kind of cool. So one thing that you could have chosen also, and this is probably what I would have chosen had I not already had this, is the Business and Pleasure cooler. So this usually retails for like 70 or 80 bucks. It's so cute. You can get this, like they sell these at Anthropologie, you guys. They're legit. It's the cutest cooler I've ever owned, and I would recommend getting this. Like if you're gonna get something, I would choose this. I wanted to show you because this is just to me like the cutest, most gorgeous thing ever. Can you imagine a picnic outside in the summertime? You're sitting on the beach in the Hamptons, white sand beach. You have a Dr. Pepper, I don't know, like just, it's so cute. And it's just, it's so chic. It's so bougie. And it's so Anthropologie. Like I love it. I feel like Fabfitfun, I'm just gonna say this, I said it already I think, but Fabfitfun to me is like the Anthropologie of subscription boxes. It's top tier. Okay, so anyway, that was my second customization. The Ray Dunn. I did do the Ray Dunn. I did the done. I did the do. I do the do. So for my third customization, I picked, of course, I had to choose this because I genuinely use this product and I genuinely needed a replacement. So I got the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It's SPF 40. This is, you guys, #1, no cap. I sound so stupid when I say no cap. This is my favorite sunscreen that I ever could own. Like this is legitimately my favorite sunscreen, and I actually do buy this all the time. I buy this with my own money. I have another one right here. Just so we're all aware, I have another one right here. I love this. It's super like silicone-y. You can put it underneath your makeup. It's like putting the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer underneath your makeup. I love it. It just feels so silky smooth. It gives a really nice base for makeup too, or whatever you're doing. It's nice because SPF 40 and broad spectrum, so it covers you no matter what. It's such a great sunscreen. Doesn't break me out, doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't make me itch. I love this sunscreen, okay? This is it right here. It's called the Unseen Sunscreen. People ask me all the time what sunscreen I like recommend. Supergoop. Such a great brand. Supergoop and Kula are like my 2 favorite brands. So when I saw the opportunity to get a free restock of it, I had to do it. I had to do it. And I say free because there's plenty of other things that I've already paid for the box right here. So anyway, okay. So you could have got that, but I also want to mention once again, there was another thing you could have chosen if you don't care for the sunscreen. There's a lot of other good options. They have like living proof, they have like tons of stuff, okay? And you'll see that when you go to customize your box. But I also wanted to mention that this is also an option for customization 3, are these Nectar blue light glasses. These are my favorite, hands down, blue light glasses. So I got these a long time ago and I wear them all the time still. And I love the shape of them. They're so cute. And well, right now they're like kind of dirty, but I love these and I wear them so much. I think like a great pair of blue light glasses is just so great. So anyway, if you guys want to get these, they're like a nice tortoise shell. You look super studious. You can't put a price on looking studious. You can't put a price on looking scholastic. So I just wanted to mention this because every time I wear these, like in vlogs or wherever, people are like, where did you get that? And I'm like, I got it in Fabfitfun like 2 years ago. So that came back and I'm really excited to see that. So just letting you guys know, had to tell you about it, had to tell you about it. Okay. So for customization 4, I think I chose, yes, I chose this. The African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil. So I have not ever tried one of these before, but this is like a very summery thing to do, is to like apply these like shimmery body oils. I've never tried one. I've always been kind of scared and I never like wanted to spend the money. Because if you go to Sephora and you see like the shimmering oil, you're like, oh, this is like 60 bucks for something that I don't even know if I would like. So I'm glad to get it in here and try it out. I'll let you guys know, but I'm really excited. It just says smooth over skin, being sure to highlight the décolleté, shoulders, arms, and legs. It says tap sparingly onto cheekbones too and bridge of nose. So I'm gonna be stunning in this. Can you imagine glittering like Edward Cullen in the light. We're gonna all look like Edward Cullen if we get this. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. And honestly, you heard it here first, vampires are real. And they wear African Botanics. Okay, for my customization 5, I chose the To The Market melamine printed tray. And this is the cutest tray ever. Ever. I had to choose this. This is like, this was so obvious to me. I can't even believe that something this cute is in this box. I'm so excited. And I use like food trays all the time because it's so easy to carry stuff from the kitchen to your desk where you're sitting. How adorable is this? How adorable is this? Oh my God, it's so cute. I love it so much. You can just put like, oh my God. Wait. Wait. This fits perfectly if you get the Business & Co. cooler. This fits perfectly in there. Oh my God, I'm dying. Okay, so anyway, this is just so cute. I had to get it. Like, can you imagine just like carrying this out? Once again, bring it to your picnic that you're having on the beach. This is the best subscription box, I'm telling you. I'm like, so, it's like, I'm so deep in this, you guys. This is the only choice for the customization 5, just saying. So for my final customization, there was like so many options for customization 6. So I'm just gonna show you what I picked out, and I had to do this. So if you guys watched my Vlogmas last year, I discovered very late that you can make ice out of silicone molds. So anyway, this is a pineapple ice tray. Guys, how cute is this for the summer to put in your drinks? If you do like a Hawaii themed party or like a summer beach party or something, this would be so cute. And like, what if you did like, ooh, like orange juice in here or something? I don't know. Okay, pineapple juice or something. This is so cute. So you could do a lot of different stuff with this. You could do like cake molds, you could do candy molds. Like, it's just, there's so much you can do. I had to do this, and it's even shaped like a pineapple, so I thought that was really cute. And then another thing that we got was, this is just funny to me. I don't know. It's like there's so much stuff in here. It feels like it's not ending. We got a juicer, like a little citrus squeezer. And this is actually a nice one. The one that I have is like a crappy one from Dollar Tree. But we got a, like, you put lemons in here, limes in here. If you don't have one of these, you need one. It's just super easy. And you don't get seeds in there. So yeah, this is just really nice. I mean, it's a better quality than the one I have. So I'll definitely be switching this one out for my other one. So I love that. And then the final thing that I got was this fruit butter lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals. And it looks like this, and it looks just really cute. So there it is, the fruit butter lip mask. And it does say it's cruelty-free and vegan. By the way, guys, most of the things that you're gonna get in the Fabfitfun are cruelty-free and vegan. They are very conscious of that. And then they're also doing a new thing where most of the things, where pretty much everything in the box is clean ingredients also. Oh, this smells coconutty. Mmm, this smells really good. I love it. Okay, cool. So anyway, you just have a nice little fruit butter lip mask, which is nice because if you're sitting outside by the pool or something, you can just put some on and you're good to go. So we'd love to see that. So anyway, that is everything that I got in my Fabfitfun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe because I always unbox the Fabfitfun boxes for every single season. I can't wait for fall, but I'm just trying not to get too hard on myself, but I honestly cannot wait for fall. Like, I already can't wait for fall. Live in the moment, live in the moment, live in the moment. Okay, anyway. And don't forget, if you guys want to sign up for your own Fabfitfun box, you can use my code, which is Kiki10, to get $10 off your very first box. So you can get that with the link down below. Follow the link, sign up, and start customizing your box today. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. What did you choose, or what was your favorite thing out of your Fabfitfun box this season? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!